Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This video is all about hair, specifically short hair and how to style it. So I get a lot of questions from friends and from just people in general because my hair is now short, how I style it, how do I curl it? Well, in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys. So if you're interested, stick around. So the first thing that's important if you are going to try to style your hair, obviously, is to have a hair straightener. At least that's what this video is going to be about. So the straightener that I'm going to be using is the Lange La Reve, and I purchased this off of Facebook. I don't know, I saw so many videos on it, but this is the La Reve. They also have the applique, which is just a little bit downgraded. I think the difference is in the plates, the titanium plates, but I think if you have finer hair, the applique, which is $29, would work for you as well. For me, I just got the upgrade. My hair is fine, but I want it to really hold, so I wanted to make sure that, I had the titanium plates. What's also great about this is that it shows, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it shows the what setting it's on, and it goes all the way up to 450, but for what I need it for the type of hair and the coarseness and really the less coarse that I have, I typically put it on 360 to 370, so don't feel like you have to put it on the highest setting. Play around a little bit. It's heat, so if you use less, that's always better. So we're gonna start with our hair straightener. I've got a brush, clip from my hair, and hairspray. Now the only things that I've put into my hair today, because I washed my hair always curls better when it is washed. I don't know what women it works for when it's dirty. I'm sure it does. For me, it literally falls right out. So I always have to make sure that my hair is washed. I did blow dry it. It hasn't been really styled, just kind of blow dried and shaped a little bit. And basically all I do is I work in sections. So we're gonna start with the bottom section. Now I'm gonna show you the back of my hair because I just recently got it cut. And I have a lot of very, very, very short hair. So I don't necessarily need to curl that. We just wanna kind of curl the top, which is gonna make this tutorial even quicker. But if you have short hair, I would say really anything like shoulder length and above, you can definitely get away with a straightener. If your hair is longer than that, they do make wands that would work. And of course you can always use a curling iron and that will work as well. So let's get started. So to start, I'm just going to section off my hair, and I'm going to start around my temples here because again, my hair is kind of short. So I'm gonna just take this extra hair on the top and I'm gonna take my clip and we're gonna keep it out of the way. And literally all I do in terms of product, I'll put a little bit of maybe Moroccan oil in it after it's like dry, it's damp out of the shower, but I just give it a little bit of hairspray and that's it. Like just a little bit. And I'm just gonna take sections and I'm gonna take the wand or the straightener and I'm gonna twist it away from my face. I'm gonna pull on it a little bit because I want these to be kind of messy. It's really that simple. That's it. I'm gonna do a couple more, but not too many. Because again, my hair is pretty short, so I'm really just gonna do a few of these in the back. And then we're gonna go to this side and do the same thing. Now, I don't know if you're like me, but I always have one side that curls better than the other. This side always curls better for me. So sometimes I have to kind of go over with something again on this side. So far we're doing okay. It's not a lot. Let me pick up a little bit more here. And this is pretty darn short, so I think I'm just gonna do this one and leave it. So that layer is done. I'm just gonna pull it out again, get some more hair out, clip this up. Are you guys digging my eye makeup today? I went like orange corally today and I did a little blue underneath. I got a little funky. I was feeling it. Maybe I'm feeling like the Florida colors, I don't know. It's really that easy, guys. It seems so difficult, but it's not. It's just practice. Total practice. But once you get this, it is literally like the easiest style to do. And it looks like you've spent so much time on it, but you haven't. And again, not too big of sections, at least not for my hair. You know, it really is going to depend on the length of your hair. But I try to kind of curl it close to the root for me. Now sometimes I totally miss large sections in the back, and that's okay, it's hard to see. So what I'll do is when I'm almost done, before I kind of finish everything up, I'll go into the bathroom, I'll take a quick peek so that I can see what I missed, because I can feel straight hair back here. And then I'll just grab that piece and do a quick twist, and we should be good to go. So I've got 2 more to do back here, at least I think. And you know, when your hair is a bit longer, and even at this length, like you can hold the wand to get different types of curls. So if you're looking for more beachy curls, you might not hold it, you know, twist it around so much. You might kind of hold it a little bit looser. So we're gonna take our hairspray, just spray that a little bit. And I always start in the front until I get to the tippity top, and then I kind of I start at the back. But I have really enjoyed this straightener, and the reason why I bought this one, I didn't tell you guys that, was because I had another really great straightener and it did the job straightening wise, but it was really rough on the outside. And so when I started trying to curl my hair with a straightener, with that one in particular, it was kind of pulling my hair. So like on the Lange here, it's super soft, so when your hair slides over it, it doesn't like feel like it's pulling. That's the best analogy I can give to you, which is why I chose this straightener, you know, to purchase, even though I had one. And I've had this for about, I would say at least 8 months. Like I've had this for a while. I really like it. This is definitely not a sponsored video. Lange doesn't even know me, but I really do enjoy this straightener quite a bit. And they have other products too. They have lots of different types of wands that are like small at the base and large at the top. Like they have all different types. But for me and my type of hair, this works like magic. Okay, so on the last bit, I'm just gonna spray a little hairspray again. When I blow dry my hair, I typically do it down the middle like this, even though sometimes I'll wear it to one side. And what I'm gonna do is start at the back. And like I said, this side always curls easier for me, so I tend to do this side first. Just pull it through. I mean, it's so simple. Aren't they cute? And it's even better when they fall a little bit. So it'll be like more curly right now, and it'll look a lot more, you know, voluminous now. But after it settles, after about 30 minutes, you really have that nice beachy look that's so popular. That seems like it takes forever to get, but it's so easy. Okay. So we're gonna do this side. And you can do curls towards your face and away from your face. I just chose to do all away, but you can do whatever you want. See, these curls are always different than these. Especially on the ends. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around so you can see if I missed anything, because again, it happens. And then I'm going to go check myself. And I'm gonna put my fingers through it and everything, but I'm gonna go check and then I'll be right back. All right, so I went into the bathroom and I found a pretty decent piece. I know there's a couple of other strays, but this one was kind of glaring. So that one's got a little bit of curl in it. So next, all that I do is I put my hands through this and break it up. And I typically wear it, when it's curly at least, on this side. And there you have it. So another trick to the trade is if you're looking for a little more volume, and I know I look like I have a ton, but it will fall. It always falls on me. I use a little bit of dry shampoo, and so I'll just pick up sections and spray it in. And I'll just kind of work that into the roots a little bit. I'll give it another quick spray. And there you have it. Curls with short hair. Show you the back. And super easy, anybody can do it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about using a straightener or other methods that you want to see videos on to curl your hair or style your hair, comment below. I'm happy to do videos like that for you. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.